there's an increase in the concentration of glucose within the blood, the pancreas is prompted to create a chemical known as insulin, which is then secreted into the body. As glucose continues to travel around the body, so does insulin. As insulin travels, it binds with tyrosine kinase receptors, which then opens the GLUT4 channel embedded within the cell's phospholipid bilayer. This allows for the influx of glucose into the cell, which then prompts transduction to occur. Here we see the glucose entering the cell through the GLUT4 channel. Once this has occurred, transduction begins with the phosphorylation cascade, which utilizes ATP for fuel and for a phosphate for the proteins along the cascade. This step is very crucial for the passing of certain information throughout the cell. Here we have ATP just doing that. Once this has occurred, DNA found within the nucleus in the cell is prompted to begin the process of transcription and translation, which, once initiated, creates protein enzymes that pulls glucose out of the blood and transforms glucose into glycogen, which is then stored within the liver. Here we can see transcription and translation occurring and forming our lovely enzyme, which is awfully revered. I hope I use that word right. Okay, here we see the enzyme traveling, and it's about to bind with glucose molecules, which are drawn from the blood. Once this occurs, we can see that it's just they're binding and binding and binding, and then glycogen will be formed eventually. And now we have the production of glycogen from the enzyme, and we can see just glycogen traveling around the cell. And now we have an overview of the whole cell and all the cellular functions associated with it. Here we can see glycogen once again traveling around. And here we've reached the end. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.